Reduce complexity in list operations. I got a Python problem to solve, which I did. However, I got some critics about the bad performance of the solution, so I wanted to share it here and check for possible improvements. The problem was very simple. It is about finding the minimum absolute difference between the sum of the first part of a list and the sum of the second part. As an example, if we can split this in 4 stages. In this example, the script shall return 1 as the minimum absolute difference. As I said, that was pretty easy for me and I did. However, seems like this is too time complex solution ONN. Would it be possible to get ON for this problem? Edit. It was somebody else who told me about this ONN complexity. I actually do not have any idea about if that is true for this example or not.
You don't have to keep summing all elements. Create the sum once and update it in a loop. So you start with 0 and 13, then in the loop this becomes 3 and 10 as you shift the value of I over from one sum to the other. Your solution is ONN because the sum function also loops. So for each iteration in your list comprehension, you take n steps as you sum all n elements into 2 totals, and you have n such iterations. The key to achieving an ON solution is to recognize that as you move through the list, you are subtracting from one sum and adding to the other. So,
you can incrementally calculate the sums by moving values one at a time from the right sum to the left sum. Here's how I'd write it, with sums generating all partitions of excess into left and right, and yielding their sums.
I know there are already too many solutions here. Just wanted to add the algorithm most easy on time and space.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.